Hey guys, this is Tripti. I am a student of MAA and I'm going to talk about MAA and my personal experience with it. So, I come from an engineering background. I was in an IT company working 9 to 5, which is not 9 to 5 anyways, in private sector. So, I left the job and then I fell into the vicious circle of government jobs, but that never turned out well. In the meanwhile, when I was preparing for government jobs, I came across Roota Mittal's ad for MAA, and I went to the workshop, and I was kindly totally sold after the workshop, and I enrolled into the course. Um, it was You have to understand that I come from a background with no marketing skills, zero knowledge. So all my skills, all the things that I have learned, MAA was the first course to teach me everything about marketing, what are the streams, how I can earn, and how basically I can pitch my skills to clients, from getting clients to bringing them results basically. So, and from I remember the amount that I invested, I made that amount back in the very within the very first month of my earnings. I actually doubled that. So it was a very important investment of my life, and I'm glad that I did it. So far, I remember my first client. I got my first client in May 2020, and this is when I'm recording this. It is May 21, so it has been 1 year, and so far in a year I have made $18,000. And the biggest achievement that I have got is last month in April 2021, when I crossed the $10,000 mark month, and I got that with a single client. So that also credit goes to Roota, because she constantly updates her course, and the things that she updates is valued. Now I feel that it is valued at such a low price, because um, it is the experience of years that she is just giving it out for such a minimal amount. Because when you start implementing, you see the true power of her experience. That is what I have felt, and that is why I give her so much credit. I have learned so much about business, but I have grown so much as a person uh, throughout my journey, because I constantly look up to her and see what she's doing and try to implement that. And I've seen myself grow, my mindset change, my behavior change, my thinking about money, perceiving money, accepting money, receiving money. All the things have changed. How to keep myself calm and how to be consistent. All of these have changed, not in just my professional life but in my personal life as well. So I constantly admire her whenever she comes out with any of the nuggets. Even if she is recommending a book, I am the first one to go out and read it and start implementing it. So if you are still on the fence of joining MAA, then my friend, you have to go ahead and invest, take an action, because um, MAA, I'm not going to say that MAA is a magic wand. No, but it will provide you with all the spells, okay, to create magic. You will have to take an action, you will have to work hard, but when it comes to knowledge, when it comes to where you will get the clients, how you will serve them, everything is taught inside MAA. So if you just completely implement, I am sure that you will not need any other course to start with. So yes, take a decision, take an action, and enroll right now.